Run across two 6000 series high crop tractors. Going to give a perfect time to show you our axle conversion or update. So on your 100 series, 10 series, and early 20 series, you had a ZF front axle. You can note it, ID it by the dimples. It's got a square style steering knuckle. So it's not that these are bad axles, it's just you can't get parts for some of them. So when you can't get parts, we choose to upgrade to the Dana axle. Smooth hat, no dimples. It's got the same amount of gears inside of it, although some of them can be a 4. So we have an upgrade, then we would have a heavy duty upgrade. It's got a little bit different look to the knuckle. It's a little bit more rounded. And again, not that it's necessarily better, although it has some different design features, you can get parts for it. It's usually, yep, it's a little beefier right there. So if you forgot to grease it and it goes bad, you could have the Dana machined where you can't get the ZF machine. So high crop just makes them easier to view. We can do this all the way down the regular row crop tractors also.